Hello, I'm Dr. Keith Witt, and I want to invite you to a 3-day workshop on integrally informed psychotherapy. I've been teaching psychotherapy, practicing psychotherapy, and writing about psychotherapy for 45 years. And in the last 25 years, I've especially focused on integrally informed psychotherapy because I've discovered that the integral system ties many systems together and amplifies all of them. Whatever system that you practice, whatever your natural healing style is, it will be enhanced by the integral epistemology, by understanding science and spirit simultaneously, interiors and exteriors, the collective and the individual, by understanding states of consciousness that we enter and all the time and shift, especially defensive states and states of healthy response to the present moment, by understanding types of people, enneatype, masculine, feminine, and so on, we can understand ourselves and our clients better and help them grow. Especially by understanding the worldviews that everybody has. Everyone has a different worldview, but there are characteristics that are in common, and there are languages that people speak in different worldviews that are most comfortable for them. And Integral understands this phenomena and helps us adjust our language to our client's language. All our clients have some kind of trauma history, and an integral understanding helps us apply the principles of trauma treatment that all great trauma treatments have in common within the context of understanding our client as a unique being growing into a life that has stages that continue on endlessly. I've found the integral epistemology to be priceless in helping me be an effective psychotherapist. And I think you will too. Come to this workshop. There'll be perspectives that are exciting perspectives. There will be techniques and demonstrations that I think you'll have fun with. I'm going to ask people to practice new skills with me and with each other. Some people will volunteer to do work and we'll have demonstrations. Should be a lot of fun. The people that are coming are wonderful people. You're going to enjoy them a lot. So I hope to see you there at our workshop on integrally informed psychotherapy.